Thank you so much for watching. Today we are doing a Dollar Tree haul. We're taking it back old school and doing a Dollar Tree haul. I would have done a shop with me video, but I just like randomly went in there because I wanted to buy these knee pads, and then all of a sudden I came home with so much more. So I decided to just do a haul instead. You guys, so the first thing I bought at Dollar Tree, the reason why I went to Dollar Tree were these gardening knee pads. Here's the thing. I don't use this for gardening, but you can if you wanted to. You can also use this when you're bathing your kids and you're kneeling and, you know, like your knees start to hurt, right? But I bought this for myself to bring to the gym. I bought it in 2 colors that they don't have at the gym so that people know at the gym that this is mine and that they can't take it. So the gym I go to, I take like so many classes from Pilates, cycling, body pump. A lot of the workouts or some of them require you to be on your knees. My knees start hurting, and that gym, so raggedy, people steal these kneeling pads and take it home with them because we never have them at the gym. Like, I have no idea why. So I was like, it's time for me to buy myself one. So I'm so happy I found it for $1 because $1 makes you holla. And then I also knew I needed some paper for Liam. So I got some construction paper. They come in different colors. When Liam does his homework, he likes to do his homework not on white paper, but just colorful construction paper. And I always get foil. We were running low on foil. Jacob ended up using the foil as like a pirate telescope or something. So yeah, just bought some Reynolds wrap foil. This is 15 square feet. I am going to be going on a getaway with my best friend Dee next week. So I needed travel toothpaste. This is Crest Complete Whitening Scope Toothpaste. And it is, how many ounces? 2.7 ounces. And it's almost Easter. I'm sorry, St. Patrick's Day friends who celebrate, but we skipped that holiday with the quickness and we go straight to Easter decor. I'm sorry. And I didn't even decorate my house for Valentine's Day either. So yeah, this says Happy Easter. These are gel stickers, so you stick it on your window. My sons, they love to do that. And I got some ceramic painting sets. I got 2 because if I were to get one, like my other kid would be so mad. So of course, I got 2 for my boys. I'm going to have them do this probably tomorrow. Not today because Liam has t-ball practice today. T-ball started. Soccer just ended. They have swim. Mom life be crazy, y'all. It'd be crazy. I got some thank you cards because I love having thank you cards on hand. Like, I use them all the time to thank teachers, to write little notes for like workout instructors and things like that, just to thank them for what they do because I freaking love my workout instructors. They're like my versions of my teachers since I'm out of school, you know, but I just love them. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I went to the hair section to buy their bobby pins. Let me go find the bobby pins. I know I have it somewhere over here. I'll show you guys the bobby pins because I think it's in the other bag. But I went to buy bobby pins in the hair section because you guys know the bobby pins are bomb. And then, oh my gosh, I saw this bow scrunchie. It's a regular bow. I mean, it's a regular scrunchie, but with a bow. Oh my gosh. I thought it was so cute. And it looks like it's silky fabric. So yeah, I've seen this on Amazon for like $5, but then buy Amazon. Dollar Tree is $1, you know? So I'm excited about that. And oh my gosh, you guys, I have to show you. I bought 2 of these. The other one's in the other bag, but I bought this Brush Buddies Hot Wheels toothbrush set. So it comes with a toothbrush cover, the toothbrush itself, and a cup. And it is BPA free. So I'm really excited about that because both my sons, they use a strawberry mouthwash and then they like to wash it down with water afterwards. So now we have a cup for them instead of like sharing the top of the mouthwash. You know, that's not sanitary. So this is great. I'm really excited about that. I saw that and I was like, wow. And oh my gosh, safety scissors. I got it in blue and yellow. These are great even for Jakey's age. Like it's got a good grip. It's thick and it says it's perfect for preschool. So I figured it would be perfect for Jacob because Jacob is 2. And I see pictures from his preschool because he goes to a private school and they send me pictures regularly. And I see that he's cutting. And so I wanted to get him one for home too. And then I got some paper clips to organize Liam's homework because when we turn in his homework, instead of it being all over the place, I just need a paper clip to get it all like organized. So 250 paper clips for $1 at Dollar Tree is a good price to me, you guys. And these, oh my gosh, these multi-purpose clips. I mean, it says it all, multi-purpose, but I use it for chip clips. I use it for clips to close frozen corn, frozen broccoli, things like that. It works really well. Recommend it. I should have actually bought more than this, but hey, this is a 6-pack. It'll last me for a while until I lose them, because that's why I'm buying it again, because I lose it. Like, I don't know where it goes. Like, really? Socks and these little chip clips, they go missing. And then I got some pens. You guys know how I feel about Dollar Tree pens. Pens are expensive, you guys, but Dollar Tree ones are not. These work really well, and I have shown you guys in so many Dollar Tree hauls how well they work. Recommend them. You guys should try it out. It's so smooth the way it writes. I love it. And my boys are having a birthday soon. Well, not that soon, but I like to plan ahead. Liam is turning 6 on April 20th, and Jacob is turning 3 on April 27th. It's so weird, the timing that they were born, and how they're only like a week apart, like 3 years and 1 week apart. It's crazy. And then my birthday is on April 7th. Like, so much going on in April, right? So that's why I like to plan ahead. But I got candles for Jacob and Liam. So Liam's is the 6 and Jacob's is the 3. And this Dollar Tree bag is now empty. So let's move on to the other bag, you guys. So here I am, skipping St. Patty's Day and just going straight to Easter. These are window clings that my kids will put on the window probably tonight after t-ball practice. And then I'll also have, or no, that could be a weekend thing, like weekend decorate the house for Easter thing with the kids. And then I got these little decorations for our lawn, or no, for the backyard. I got these decorations for the backyard. The bunny, please stop here, and like the little egg. How cute is that, you guys? That's adorable. And then yeah, I'm gonna put that in our backyards because we usually do our Easter egg hunt in our backyard. We were not going to be around this year for Easter. We were gonna go on a Europe trip, but Justin and I decided to cancel our Europe trip. I mean, we paid for it already, the hotel and everything, but we decided to cancel our trip because of coronavirus. And like, I'm the type of person who just likes to be extra careful, and most of our trip was going to take place in Italy, and there's a high case of coronavirus there, so we decided to just skip it. So I guess, you know, we can have Easter at home, but I'm still kind of sad about it. We just canceled it yesterday. It's still new and fresh to me. That's why I'm sharing it. But it's okay, you guys. We'll go next time. We have one of the hotels is letting us have credits for next year, so we're definitely gonna go next year. So I got also this for Easter decor for our backyard. And then oh my gosh, you guys, we recently went mini golfing with the kids. We've done this with Liam before, like a few times before. But this was Jacob's first time, and he had a blast. He said to me the other day, "Mommy, I want to go mini golfing again." And I was like, sure. But I bought them this for at home. They can practice a little bit of their mini golfing while we're at home in our backyard. So yeah, I got one for each kid because you guys know, when you have kids, there is no thing called sharing up in here. Oh my gosh. So I sleep with an eye mask on. I know I have eyelash extensions, but I cannot sleep without an eye mask. It just feels good on my face, and it just blocks everything. We have what's it called? Those curtains, I can't even think. Justin and I just did a WWK before this video, and it was a whole lot of talking, and now I'm like, ah. Yeah, anyways, we have I can't even name it, but you guys know what I mean. The windows that block all the light. We have those types of windows, curtains, shades, all of that. But I still like eye mask, and this eye mask is feeling soft. I'm going to review it. I'll let you guys know in the vlog whether or not it's a good one. It comes with earplugs. I mean, this is your travel bestie right here. So I bought it to show you guys. And, oh my gosh. In the baby section, did you know they have cabinet locks? So we bought a bunch of cabinet locks on Amazon, but for some reason we've lost the closing part, and I need to keep a cabinet lock for under the sink. Anywhere else is fine, but under the sink is where I keep the Cascade dishwasher paws, the dishwasher, the rinse aid, all of those chemicals that Jacob will probably put in his mouth. So I bought this. So now I don't really have to worry about him going under the dish, the sink for that. And since I'm traveling, going to see my BFF, I got a travel toothbrushes because I forgot to buy a travel toothbrush last time, and I had to bring my big old toothbrush with me to Idaho. Oh my gosh, but it's okay. Justin also forgot, and so we both brought our big old toothbrushes to Idaho with us when we went last month for Justin's cousin's wedding. So this is Jakey's, the Thomas one that I was talking about, the little toothbrush set. So yeah, Thomas, so cute. And then the race car one is Liam's. And then, like I said, oh dang, I even bought more travel toothbrush. Okay, so here, okay, don't judge your friend now, okay? I bought the pink one because I really wanted pink, but then they had one with blue and purple, and so Justin can use that too, because when I go on my girls' getaway, he's going on a guy's getaway. He's going to Oregon to visit one of his best friends, Danny, and I'm going to Huntington Beach on a getaway with my best friend, Dee. So isn't that fun? We both are going to go on a getaway, but not together. It's okay. We went to a getaway together like 2 weeks ago. It's okay. So these are the bobby pins that I've been telling you guys about. Oh my gosh. I feel like every time I go to Dollar Tree, I buy the bobby pins. Like, why can't I keep track of all my bobby pins? Like, where do they hang out? Like, where can I find them? Oh, one time I found a bunch under my bed, you guys. So check under your bed. But I still wanted to buy more bobby pins because I need more. And I always use it because I have a lot of baby hairs after I gave birth. Ooh, baby hairs galore, you guys. I cannot stop with the baby hairs. And then I got another safety scissor because, one for Liam and one for Jakey. And then, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I didn't know I bought 2 multi-purpose clips. So now I have 12. I'm never going to lose it. Just kidding. You'll see me in my next Dollar Tree haul. I have some more clips. Just kidding, no. And then I got, oh my gosh, these are little grips. They're perfect for pens and pencils. I noticed when Liam does his homework and he uses like a pen or a pencil, it starts to hurt his hand. And I understand, like being a kid and having to write with a pencil, it's really hard, right? It hurts especially right here in this finger. So I bought these grips and I know he's going to appreciate it. He's going to love it. These little grips to him are like my knee pads to me. Like, they're just comforting, I love that. And the very last thing that I got are Plackers. These are kids' little floss. My boys like to floss, but it's hard for them to use their hands and use both and floss. So these will do. They floss themselves. Well, Jakey, we floss for him, but Liam knows how to floss himself. And that's my haul, you guys. You want to know how much I spent? I mean, I'm sure you guys could guess based on how many things I shared in the haul, but my total was $33.20. Sales tax was $3.05. Total is $36.25. So yeah, thank you friends so much for watching my Dollar Tree haul. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I really enjoy these Dollar Tree hauls and I'm so happy that I got to do this. So I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I have a new video. And you guys can watch this video right here. This was my previous video. It was a funny Q&A with my husband Justin. Oh my gosh. Hilarious, you guys. So watch it right here. And again, I'll see you guys next time.